Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode here from the home studio office on the Box Breakers. We have some results for you from our very first break that we did. We went to Phoenix Sports Cards over there on 59th Avenue in Thunderbird. We met Ray, Chris, and Phil. Chris does all their breaks. Anyway, we got into their break for $25. And these are our hits. Some of the guys bought 3-4 spots. We bought one spot for $25. And we just happened to get lucky enough to pull the Steelers as our random team. And so there were no guarantees of who you would get, and there's no guarantees if you get any hits. I think Chris said everybody got some base cards at least. That's what we'll start here with, our base cards. But I feel like we did really, really well for $25. So appreciate the guys over there at Phoenix Sports Cards. Ray, he hooked us up with some free cards. If you haven't seen those thank you videos, go back and check those out. We just uploaded the Scraps free mixtape. If you haven't seen that video, go back and check that out. But this arrived in the mail from Scraps Music. That was pretty cool. So we're pretty happy about that. You can listen to that on our channel under the playlist section. Otherwise, you can go to Scraps channel. Anyway, check out Phoenix Sports Cards, 59th Avenue and Thunderbird Road in Phoenix, Arizona. And let's see, there's their eBay. They're on Facebook. They do all their breaks on Facebook. So make sure you subscribe or like or follow them on Facebook so you can stay up to date on all their breaks. Or give them a call. Anyway, thanks guys for that. Alright, let's see how we did. $25 break. We have Ben Roethlisberger. I don't know what, 2018 certified. I'm not sure what card this is. It's Panini. Anyway, Ben Roethlisberger, 6'5". Jeez. Alright. Alright, next we have Le'Veon Bell. And this one's super thick. It's one of the Origins, I guess. Not sure what card. Another Panini card. NFL Panini. Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. All of these are going to be for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Again, we were lucky enough to draw that. There's Ben Roethlisberger, Pittsburgh Steelers. And this is an Absolute Football, 2018. Super shiny card. Really like that one. Let's see if we can get a good thumbnail out of this. All I can see is the camera back there. Anyway, Ben Roethlisberger. Then we have T.J. Watt, and this is from the Elite. Let's see, Panini again, NFL Panini. Yeah, I don't know who or what this is, but T.J. Watt's card. It's just a base card. All right, then we have our third Ben Roethlisberger from the Elite Panini. Antonio Brown from Elite Panini. Alright, now we're into the hits. The hit section. Alright, primary colors, Antonio Brown for the Steelers. It's from that same Elite series, but this one is numbered 15 to 25. Check that out. Let's see if we can get it to focus. It's wanting to focus on Darryl Strawberry back there. I know you can kind of see it, I just wish it would focus in better. It's running a little slow today. Huh. It's not going to focus for us. Maybe you can see that there. Anyway, 15 of 25. So we're super excited about that. Antonio Brown hit. We need to put that in a top loader real quick. Maybe not. Where's our top loaders? Thought I just opened another box of those. They're around here somewhere. Maybe. Maybe not. Huh. Alright. Well, let's see here. You know what we can do? We can just open up another thing of top loaders. We don't let anything slow us down here on the box breakers. Not even some little top loaders. Alright. We'll put an affiliate link for our sleeves in the description if you want to protect your cards like we do. You can go straight to Amazon and pick those up. Alright. There's our first hit. We'll just set it down, I guess. Alright, next we have this Immortal from 2018 certified NFL card. This one's numbered 917 of 999. I mean, it's almost like, what's the point of numbering them, right? But anyway, it's numbered, so we'll put it in a top loader. Give it a little more protection. Alright, next we're going to need our even bigger top loaders. So these top loaders come in all sorts of sizes. Hopefully these are 100 point sleeves. Hopefully this fits this one, because check this out. So this is a high flyer Antonio Brown Pittsburgh Steelers game used jersey relic card, and this is from Panini NFL. I don't even know what this is from. Unparalleled. Oh, this is from Unparalleled. Okay, super cool. Alright, there it is, that one. Cool. Alright, check this next one out. We have to send in to get our card. So we'll have to scratch that off, and then we'll have to send this in, and we'll get a... Who are we getting? We're getting a steel signature card number 85, Juju Smith-Schuster, and it expires February 1st, 2020. So we'll send that in, and when we get it back, we'll do a update video, and we'll show you what it looks like. So anyway, it's a redemption card. If you haven't seen these before, we got one of these out of our high-tech box the other day, and we have to send that one in too. Yeah, if you haven't seen that high-tech box, oh man, we pulled the Owatani rookie autographed out of there, and we pulled you get 2 autos per box. Where's it at here? Right there. You get 2 autos per box, but then we got this other, congratulations. We get a third one from Ahmad Rosario. I don't know who he is, but we're going to get another autograph. So anyway, we've now gotten 2 of these redemption cards. So pretty cool. We'll have to send both of these in. So that was a hit from our break from Phoenix Sports Cards. And we have one more, it looks like. This one's my favorite one. And this is Mason Rudolph, number 210 of 399. It's got the triple relic. It looks like game used jersey, football, and then I don't know what that is. No idea what that is. And then it's got his autograph on it. And this is his rookie. It's number 210 to 399. So, very cool card. I think we're very lucky. This one's from Panini as well. NFL football cards. 2008 Panini. Absolute football. It just says the enclosed player worn material and autograph are guaranteed by Panini America. So it doesn't say what they are, but maybe Mason Rudolph is going to be the new quarterback. I don't know. He's 6'5", just like Ben Roethlisberger. So, how do you think we did? I'm pretty happy with our hits and our base cards, for that matter. So we got 5 hits, because we got the other card, the redemption card. So we got 5 hits. All Pittsburgh Steelers. And guess what? Our Pittsburgh Steeler fan is still not impressed. It takes a lot, I guess. So check those out. Super cool. Alright. That goes to Phoenix Sports Cards. Thank you, Phoenix Sports Cards, for doing the break. Chris, you did an awesome job on the break, and looking forward to the next one, guys. Stop in and see them. And thanks for all the support here on the Box Breakers. We are doing free giveaways today and every other day that we hit milestones on our page. I think our next free giveaway is going out at 250 subs. We did one at 100 subs, and the person chose I think they got a Pokemon card, Sightseer. So it's like a $5 card, if that. And anyway, we sent that out. Cost us about $5 to send it out, and we don't mind doing that for our giveaways. We've got all sorts of things to choose from. We've got a Pokemon mat from Dragon Majesty. We've got I think the Ryan Sandberg card is going to go out at 500 subs for free giveaway, because that one's got a little more value. But anyway, if you're into sports, we've got that. If you're into non-sports, we've got you free giveaways for that. I know we've got we did a video with Lotus Sworn where we're doing a free giveaway for the Full Art Land Pack. That's like a $20 value. I think we're going to do that that's going to be eligible at the 1,000 sub mark. And so as we hit these, we'll be notifying you guys. But the way that we're going to give them away is we're going to pick one random video, one of our random videos, and we're going to pick one random comment from that video, and that's going to be the winner for each one as we go along. So if you're interested in getting in on the free giveaways, all you have to do is watch the video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then put a comment down there. Just any comment, it doesn't matter. We're going to pick the random comment from one video. So the more times you comment, the more videos you comment on, the more times you get in for the free giveaways. So we'll be doing them past 1,000 subs, and they'll just get bigger and bigger and better and better. So share with your friends, share us on Facebook and social media, and get the word out there. The Box Breakers is here to give away all sorts of cool free stuff. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Again, Phoenix Sports Cards, check them out. Always appreciate them hooking us up. Thank you, Ray. Thank you, Chris and Phil. We'll see you guys next time here on the Box Breakers, where we will be doing, I don't know, Topps Gold Label or something cool. We got something up our sleeve. We just don't know yet. Anyway, see you guys. Have a great day. Make sure you check out Scrap's channel as well. Check out his music on our playlist. And we'll catch you next time here on the Box Breakers. We're out.